welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is addressing this lady that attacked her on her page. And he's saying that, she had to address this lady because of what the lady had to say about her. And guys, you have to go hear what Marcia has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my other lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies out there, I wish you a wonderful and a beautiful day. I know that Jamaica went under our King Barrel. And I'm hoping that all of you guys are wonderful and well. You're dry and safe and that nothing happened. Um, I wish for you and your family a speedy recovery if there was any damage out there. And I hope that everyone will be okay and in high spirit for the next couple of days. And I wish you guys the best. Have yourselves a wonderful and beautiful day.
One day ago, at my age, she should go look. At my age, at God, she should go look. Then me not look God. Then me not talk about God every day. You have no place to talk about God. Huh? So at my age, at 51, that means I'm a look man. That means everybody will have man. We're married to man. And in a relationship with man, I hope that we take other people man and other people married man. As them reach 51, them to stop and go serve God. Is that what you're saying to me? Dirty stinking ginger 356 on YouTube? Is that what you're saying to me? At 51 years old, me must have no form of relationship. At 51 years old, me go seek God. Let me ask you a question. Then if you are seek God and you're so righteous and holy, and you're not filthy, we are listen to me for. We are on Facebook. You know should be in a prayer 24/7 since you're so holy and righteous. Come talk to me now. Come talk to me. Come over here, come type up. Can you come over here listen to me? And me I slam my front like a car door. So all the women them out there, we have them boyfriend. Then if me a slam my front like a car door, them a slam for them front like a Walmart and BJ's. We have people are running there 100,000 of people. Because a car door no slam once in a while a car door slam. Some people just go work and come and park up then car and come in and go up. That's me say me have a good pussy. But unfortunately you have a revolving door. I open up wide like a shopping center. So you now need to go see God because me have my own a slam like a car door. That's me say you want to have a revolving door like Walmart and BJ's and Macy's department store where people always are going to trample up. Because me want to come and ask you now, how me have my front a slam like a car door when I 2 times a week or 1 time a week me see my friend. Then how is that? How is that? Tell me now, how me have my front slamming like a car door? You know when time me I get frig? Yeah, follow back at me? Yeah, take off my drawers? How you know? Yes, me rather have my front. Me rather have my front slam like a car door and have a revolving door like a Walmart and came out and Macy's and all the big department store where people are going in and out like you. Obviously, you're a lonely bitch and you don't have nobody. And people don't like to see people in a relationship when somebody paying them attention. Because someone out there wanna feel like they wanna have it all. But you no lonely, no blood clot. No bumbo clot, man, no want to know. All you do is get up every day, come on social media and criticize, and stay up online and shop. No man no want to know. No man no want to know. Not even no face. If you have a good looking face, you can't get no good man. And when you see one little ugly girl with a man now, on a blood clot jealous, because fool a man with good looking and pretty. If you fool a pretty self, not treat you know. Nothing. We not get no love and affection and attention from them. That is the reason why when I sit down on social media and grudge me for my own. We're homeless and dirty foot man, according to you know. We make sure saying call me at every fucking day. I want to hear for myself. Where my was a take up for me and decide on me. We're food no one day. We're not carrying to go nowhere. Got paid for the food during the week. Maybe the only time I get one dinner is for Valentine's and birthday. But no. So uno jealous. Jealous. But this ugly girl have one man and uno have it. Or if you don't have people man, or if you don't have phone man, them not paying nothing at all. Them not carrying a gun nowhere. We not even a hear from them. We not have to beg them to call. I don't have to beg my friend to call and call me often. I feel guilty. I say, you know what? I need to start telling him good morning first. I need to call him because he's the one who do all of that. I say me I could change it up. Me I go surprise him and like this man when me call him and he wait to work. Normally him send out morning first. Me say, you know what, me I go stop it. Me I go change it up and tell him good morning first if me wake up. Because I wake up sometime early. But me always make sure to make him say morning first. You understand? It's jealousy. Because here your stupidity. Nobody want to hear my business. From me on social media for over a decade and a half, I have been coming up here showcasing my life. So how comes all of a sudden now move your blood clot from your dirty stinking ginger 356. Go find your own happiness. And that if you go do. Go and find your own happiness because you don't have none. Go look for your ass clad people in Jamaica don't and say to them alright. Go save up a little change so if anything you can send one little money. Go give them. See me just don't talk to Romy on the camera. See me and Romy I talk. Yeah, see me here. See me and Romy. See me there. See me and Romy there. Romy knows all I run. See there? See me and Romy. Brighter out order. Look at Romy with a little running nose. Watch him. See me over the side here? Look at the big smile on my face. See me grand pick me a smile. Then granny move your dirty bumbo clot from you. I'm going to make yourself happy. This is my joy and happiness. And that if you do, you should have decided Romy make Romy spit by you with the nose in her heart. That thing should have do. See me a Romy. See me here. Look on the, you see them teeth on them white? You see it there? See me a Romy, me and my grandson attack. That is where you can make yourself happy. You come on social media. I chat bullshit. Here this one I know too. When call himself. When I this one I call himself. Me a screenshot it good. I think it's what ZABE. I think a ZABEI what? Me not remember SAI me not it can't show good. Me not screenshot it right. Me not screenshot it right up at top. I blogging where do. Or if people really think about it, here and now. Here this a asshole one and now. Here's the one. Hold on. If people really think about it, Marcia is making a fool of herself and all who talk about her as a blogger. Marcia have to talk about herself so bloggers can talk about her with fool things. It's a trick to keep her name in the spotlight. Bitch, do you need to see a Bellevue department? Eh? So me over here showcasing my life and go about my business and talk. And me over here talk foolfulness and me only talk about me so me can keep in a blogging world. Are the blogging world them need me for keep relevant? Which one? Who I put money in a Hoover pocket? Boy, yeah. Eh? Who for money? Eh? Whose money? Who I give them money for keep it in their pocket? Trump cancel interview. Me not even get to read that. Huh? People, if you want a nice perfume, get this one. The Jador. The one coming on a white back. When you spray it out, the cologne is white like a milk. It smells very good, okay? Get this one. $180. Just one bottle you get. Jador. The one will look like a milk. Will look like a milk. It's smaller than the other rest of them because this one is kind of intense. This one is 100% perfume oil, so it's more concentrated. So that's why it costs much money than the other one them. You understand? So let me go over it now. So you tell me now. Me look like somebody fool to you? Eh? Or are them fool? For when they come out and hear them a chat shit at people years old. Eh? Hear this one here, with all honesty. Marcia sound like a 60-plus-year-old woman. You're lucky. Thank you very much. Because I want to live is 60. Me not ask you. Me they are 51 now. Me want to live another 9 years. The way things are going in our life right now, amount of wickedness and something we are going. Yes. Hear this one, you know? She must have been a late boomer. Everything she claims she's teaching people, they already know. She is the one that have to learn the rules of the road. She just aggravate my soul. So if me aggravate your blood clot soul, will you watch the girl for? And you know say that girl post me. Eh? Where you watching her for? Where every time she drop something, you come over there and watch it. This is one here, our Cassandra Martin. Cassandra Martin, 8108, 6 hours ago. Where the blood clot you watch me for? Eh? Me sound like a old woman, 60 plus. This is one named Anita Clark, 4530. Me sound like a late boomer. Let me tell you something, bitch ass. Dirty Anita Clark, 4530. You would be surprised the things that I'm teaching people over here. It's not called late bloomer. It is called a woman with experience. You understand? A woman with experience. And a lot of women out there, you'll be surprised. They don't know anything. And if they do know it, them need a little confidence, a little pusher upper, like myself here, if push them to change a narrative in certain situation and make themselves happy. And I have done that on this platform, on YouTube and Facebook. I have pushed a lot of women to change up their ways. Start enjoy themselves, start take a trip, start dress better, look better, and feel better, do look exercise and all different type of way. Even in the bedroom. Woman call me and tell me, say, Marcia, I heard you say, and my relationship is better now. Because I was holding back of doing certain things and how me perform and always want to give, want to receive and don't give. Now, me and my relationship has been better. And even me and my husband I laugh and say I must that woman on Facebook I y'all listen to. Because she always watch me in the bed. You understand? So let me tell you something. Of course, everybody knows about sex and this and that, but a lot of women don't know a lot of part about their body. A lot of people only know like one to do one thing. Make a man come suck them breasts and take out them penis and cock up foot and go back shot. Them don't know nothing about them body, where the touch, where which part the spot them there for make you feel good. You don't know because you don't practice it. Because if you don't have a man who caress somebody, them don't know. Because even if you're making love to a man and the man and you have a foot on the man's shoulder for say, the man supposed from you clean and you bathe, that man supposed to kiss up your foot because there's a lot of feeling in your foot too. Right at the side of your leg, down on your foot. Pass your ankle and come up a little bit more. Right at the side. So while him there doing whatever, he can't catch to your mouth because you're doing foot on the shoulder. So like same can't bend over and kiss you if you get more sensational. It's in your leg. So you can stimulate more. But you not get them the blood clot love in there. You ain't getting it. And if your toe clean, him can suck on your toe. If your beard and it clean and a for woman, you can suck on your toe while your foot is on his shoulder. Then you will see something. You will see how you climb Mount Everest. You understand? That's why some man will fetish with toe. Them not chat to no woman unless they are pretty toe. Because them know any man will love pretty toe. Them will love pretty toe. You know them love is suck toe. So don't tell me how me must be a late boomer. From my common social media, I've been teaching woman things. Because you see this a girl here, the man can't come jump on me anyhow. My belly could have weigh 600 blood clot pound. Them have to make me feel nice first before they insert nothing in me. Me is a command. Me a command that. I don't get to feel good and stimulate my body. You're not inserting and you're not hurry up no sex with me. Cause me don't sell no pussy around here. If me and you go together as boyfriend and girlfriend, we in a rush business. The man now come pa me can rush no bumbo clock body. You're going to stimulate me. Because it takes time to get in connection with a man. Just me not go with man because him good looking and way him have from way him have. The only time a man can get me unless me have a feeling. If he may not go together, me not start feeling one like a butterfly in my belly bottom or me, nice, me not sleep with you. You could have give me the world. You could have pretty like a Lucifer. But someone woman out here who only go with man because of charminess, who don't have no feelings, them cannot satisfy you. Most of the woman out there who will make a man come 3-4 times and he can't make one come and still are there with them because they don't want to have a man on the side. No, me not do them something there. You can't please me. You can't make me feel good. You go on about your blood clot business. So me I come out, I come teach woman. So don't come on the comment. Come go on like say, listen to blood clot professor out here. You think that today me I give love talking? I peer them and me I give all my life for social media. You think that today me I come out here, I want other bloggers take this ras from me. Eh? You must have been a late woman. Everything she claims she's teaching people they already know. No, they don't. They don't know. You will get teaching from me. Dirty girl. Anita Clark. 4530. And the one when you Cassandra Martin, 8108. With all honesty, Marcia sound like a 60-year-old. Of course, me sound like a 60-year-old. My blood clot wise. I want no bitch ass now get with the program. Yes, me sound wise because you hear me talk good things. So that's why I say me sound like a 60-year-old. I become very mature for my age. And I know me want to